Troops Learning!
Come on, kids! Today, let's make ice cream!
Yay!
First, let's get our ingredients ready.
Wow!
So many yummy things! Pick up the bowl. Now pour the milk into the bowl.
Pour, pour, pour! The milk is going in.
Good job, little chef! Now add some cream.
Yummy cream!
Now add some sugar.
Sugar!
Now add some chocolate.
Chocolate! Yummy!
Now let's add some fruits.
Strawberry! Yummy!
Banana!
Yummy!
Now mix them together.
Mix, mix, mix!
Our ice cream mixture is ready.
Yay! It looks yummy!
Now let's put it in the freezer.
Into the freezer!
Kids, come and see! Come and see!
Wow! Our ice cream is ready!
Now let's scoop it.
Mmm!
Do you like it?
Yes! We love it!
वीडियो को लाइक, शेयर और सब्सक्राइब करें।